I'm super excited to be here, y'all. I told y'all in my last video that I was sponsored to come to this event, and then everything just aligned up that told me that I'm supposed to be here. Like, you know, when God makes a way, things go smooth and everything. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm just waiting to see what it is that God got for me here today during this event. I always come hopeful, knowing I'm not going to be the same person when I leave. So maybe I might not be able to take no videos during the event because it's networking time. I could get some content tomorrow, get some pictures and stuff tomorrow, but today it's about networking. Look at this view from my seat. And then look up top. We feel like we're outside, but we're under a dome. Yeah, I'm a little early. Start till 6. But I needed to know where to come. Now this side of the hotel is where you have your own balcony. They asked me that I want to upgrade to a balcony, but I'm only here for 2 days. I said no. But it looks like apartments over there. Look at that. Would have been nice to have a balcony, but not for 2 days. My room was expensive enough. If I was here a week, I would have got it. It's gorgeous out here, y'all. This is one of the benefits that you get from going to conference. You get to visit different cities that you wouldn't have normally visited on your own. I wouldn't have never came to Nashville. What I'm gonna come to Nashville for? But it's gorgeous in this hotel. And then my Uber driver told me this was the best hotel in the city. This convention center hotel. Forgot the name of it. Old Grandy or something like that. But it's gorgeous here. Alright. This place is gorgeous. This is the hotel that we're in. This is the night view. Met some amazing people tonight. Some amazing people tonight. Look at this, y'all. Beautiful. Beautiful. Y'all, when you invest in yourself and you go to events like this, it just like really like opens you up, touches your soul, like to show you like what can be.